Robert Rodriguez.
Racer Rebel, the cast, come on up. So did you notice the low budget tricks? So the finger starts off moving the phone, opening a door, then it becomes a gun, and everyone reacts to that. But when he pulls out the 3, everyone reacts again, and it costs no money. Magenta 6, Head Duck, Red 11, Red 7. My one crew member, and Knives, and our composer. Probably the youngest composer at 19 to do a film at Cannes, maybe.
Vous voyez, quand on a très peu de budget, simplement le fait de pointer du doigt, ça va faire plein de choses, d'ouvrir une porte, de répondre au téléphone et d'avoir un pistolet dans la main. Et ça crée en fait une réaction qui est la même que si on avait des vrais objets.
But I love the reaction to the 3 fingers. Everybody goes, but it's just a dramatic escalation. And imagine there's no prop gun, there's no blanks, there's no money. It's just, you can create dramatic escalation using nothing, just imagination and creativity.
En fait, voilà, ce que j'ai aimé, c'est la réaction quand il montre 3 doigts. On voit la montée en puissance et donc on voit bien qu'on peut créer de la tension dramatique avec rien, avec aucun accessoire.
One of my other favorites is the telepathy, when they can read each other's thoughts. There's no dialogue we had to record. I could even write the dialogue later. It's just filming them looking at each other meaningfully and then figuring out later what they say. And again, that gets a big reaction and then again, costs no money.
Et on peut aussi, voilà, avec l'élément de la télépathie, on n'a pas besoin d'enregistrer des dialogues, simplement tout se passe par les regards et ensuite on peut ajouter les répliques ensuite.
And that character of Score was in my original notes from 1993, somebody who composed music live. I'd never seen that before in a movie. But again, we didn't have the music to play back to. He's just hitting random keys, and later on in editing, I have to edit and score with my son and figure out what he's playing. It's all just kind of screwdriver work, creative work, but it's the most fun you can have. Almost like having less is more fun in a lot of ways.
Et le personnage de Béo qu'on voit qui tape sur les touches, en fait, ça permet de ne rien faire sur le coup. Et ensuite, à la fin, avec mon fils, de composer ensemble les notes qu'il joue. D'une certaine manière, c'est plus amusant. Moins on a de moyens et plus on s'amuse.
The last one that was really fun was when the lights are flickering on and off. Usually you put a special light bulb for that. I just had Red 7 over here flicking the light switch on and off like that and put a sound effect of the light buzzing, and it came out much better.
Et pour la lumière intermittente, à la fin, d'habitude, il y a une ampoule spéciale pour ça. Mais là, comme on n'avait pas les moyens, eh bien, j'avais quelqu'un qui allumait et éteignait un interrupteur simplement.
Do we have any film students? Raise your hand for your film
Est-ce qu'il y a des étudiants en
students.
cinéma dans la salle?
Okay, of those film students, which one of you has, we have time for one great question that will benefit everyone in the audience. Who thinks they have an amazing question?
Qui
Raise
pense
your
avoir
hand.
une super question, une seule question, mais qui va être super pour toute
No
la
one wants to
salle.
raise their hand. Okay, a somewhat amazing question. Raise your hand.
Une question,
Yes, right back there.
une question pas trop mal.
And you get a present if it's a good one.
Vous aurez un cadeau si votre question est bonne.
How do you fuel your passion when you're by yourself?
How do you fuel the passion when you're by yourself?
Comment nourrissez-vous votre passion quand vous êtes tout seul?
You know, what you need is momentum. Momentum is everything. You have to just start. I have so many people who've seen the movie who get inspired, but then they think, one person even said, I have a project. It's actually pretty close to coming together. I just have to do it, right? And I said, no, not even that. If you say I have to do it, now you're seeing the whole mountain you have to climb, and you'll put it off. You say, I need to be fueled with passion. I need to get the energy. Don't think about the whole mountain. Just start. Because when you start, you get momentum. And with momentum, you get passion. You get passion from doing. You don't wait till you get passion and then start. You just start. And when you start, you get momentum. And with momentum, you can actually move mountains and create new mountains and make time. So people have it reversed. They think they need passion first before they take action. You have to take action. And I'm an action man. You got to be an action man.
Ce qui compte, c'est l'élan, l'énergie qu'on a pour faire quelque chose. J'entends des gens qui me disent « Ah, j'ai un projet, il n'est pas loin de se faire, mais il faut vraiment que je le fasse, il faut que je le monte. » Et là, en fait, on voit uniquement la montagne qu'il faut gravir et on a l'impression que vous repoussez l'échéance, vous reculez. Mais en fait, on a besoin d'avoir l'énergie, donc il faut se lancer. Et une fois qu'on est lancé, une fois que c'est commencé, et ensuite, voilà, tout est une question d'élan.
This movie is a very surreal movie for me. You know, to be making it and seeing my kids kind of playing me, an experience that I had, it was very, very strange. And I always thought I was still in the experiment. Because right after I did the experiment, my life changed. I made mariachi, I became known as a filmmaker. And over the years, a lot of surreal things have happened. Oh wait, come stay here. Yeah. So over the years, strange things have happened, and I always thought, am I still in the experiment? Am I going to wake up and realize it's not been 25 years, it's been a week, and the doctor's there with a needle about to give me the next dose? Being here right now is really strange, watching this movie. So in case I wake up and this isn't real, I want to thank you all for being a part of this amazing dream.
Ce film est assez surréaliste. C'est drôle pour moi d'avoir mes enfants ou la génération d'après qui jouent le rôle que moi j'avais. Et aujourd'hui encore, c'est étrange pour moi. Je me demande parfois si je suis encore dans cette expérience. Ma vie a beaucoup changé depuis. J'ai fait El Mariachi. Et quelquefois, il m'arrive de me demander si je vais me réveiller un jour et qu'en fait, il s'est passé une semaine et pas 25 ans. Et donc, si je me réveille et que c'était pas vrai, je vous remercie d'avoir été là.
You have the power to write your own story. You can use, like I showed you at the beginning with the index cards. It's easier than writing out on paper, because when you write on paper, you have to write linear, and we don't think linear. I found that cards are good for everything. Charting a story, charting your own story. Like, what goals do you have? What do you want to become? And I gave this to my kids at Christmas, and they thought it was the most amazing gift, you know. And you asked a really great question, but I'm going to tell you, you've got the best answer inside of you. So this is going to change your life. Thank you.
On a tous le pouvoir d'écrire une histoire. Je donne toujours ces petites cartes. Pour moi, c'est moins intimidant que des grandes feuilles de papier. Ça permet de se structurer son histoire. Et donc, j'offre souvent ces cartes à mes enfants et ils trouvent que c'est un super cadeau.
Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for being here.
Thank you. Thank you, Robert. Thank you for being
you
here.
All.
Thanks.